Good morning, Leo. How are you today?
Good morning, Mia. I'm a little tired. I woke up at 6:30 this morning.
That's early. What did you do after you woke up?
First, I turned off my alarm clock. Then I went to the bathroom to brush my teeth.
Me too. I always brush my teeth after waking up. Then I wash my face with cold water.
Cold water? That helps you wake up?
Yes, it does. After that, I get dressed. I usually wear comfortable clothes.
What about breakfast? Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I always eat breakfast. This morning I had cereal with milk and a banana.
That sounds good. I only drank coffee this morning. I was in a hurry.
Oh, that's not good. Breakfast is important. You should eat something.
You're right. Tomorrow I will eat breakfast.
What time do you leave for work?
I leave home at 7:45. I take the bus to work.
I drive to work. I leave at 8.
Okay, let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. I wake up at 6:30. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
Good. Now you try. What time do you wake up?
Great job! Now let's talk about afternoon activities.
Leo, it's lunchtime. What do you usually do for lunch?
I usually bring lunch from home. Today I have rice and chicken.
That's nice. I often eat at the company cafeteria with my colleagues.
What do you talk about with your colleagues during lunch?
We talk about work, our families, and sometimes about movies or TV shows.
That sounds fun. After lunch, what do you do?
I go back to my desk and check my emails. Then I have meetings in the afternoon.
I have meetings too. Today I have a meeting at 2 p.m.
Do you like meetings?
Some meetings are interesting, but some are too long.
I understand. After work, what do you do?
I finish work at 5 o'clock, then I go to the gym sometimes.
That's good exercise. I go shopping after work if I need groceries.
Let's practice some phrases. Repeat after me. I eat lunch at 12. I have meetings in the afternoon. I finish work at 5.
Now you try. What time do you eat lunch?
Excellent. Now let's talk about evening routines.
Leo, it's 6 p.m. What do you usually do in the evening?
First, I go home after work. Then I cook dinner.
What are you cooking for dinner tonight?
I'm making pasta with vegetables. It's easy and quick.
That sounds delicious. I usually cook simple food too. Sometimes I order food if I'm tired.
After dinner, I watch TV or read a book. What about you?
I call my family sometimes. We talk about our day. Then I watch a movie or listen to music.
Do you study English in the evening?
Yes, I practice English for 30 minutes every evening. I use a language app.
That's a good habit. I should do that too.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10:30. I need 8 hours of sleep.
Me too. I go to bed at 10 and read before sleeping.
Let's practice evening phrases. Repeat after me. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I go to bed at 10:30.
Now you try. What time do you go to bed?
Wonderful. Now let's talk about weekends.
Leo, it's Saturday. What do you usually do on weekends?
On Saturday morning, I clean my apartment. I wash clothes and clean the kitchen.
I do housework too, but in the afternoon, I like to relax.
What do you do to relax?
Sometimes I meet friends for coffee, sometimes I go to the park.
That sounds nice. On Sunday, I often visit my family. We have lunch together.
How nice! Do you have brothers or sisters?
I have one sister. She lives near our parents' house.
On Sunday evening, I prepare for the week. I plan my clothes and make a food list.
That's smart. I should do that too.
What's your favorite weekend activity?
I love watching football with friends. We eat snacks and watch the game.
That sounds like fun!
Let's practice weekend phrases. Repeat after me. I clean my apartment. I visit my family. I watch football.
Now you try. What do you do on weekends?
Excellent! You did a great job today.
Remember to practice these phrases every day. Your English will get better and better.